Filipinos from across Europe gathered in The Hague, Netherlands to show their support for former President Rodrigo Duterte. Meanwhile, attorney Cristina Conti believes there's a zero chance that Duterte will be granted interim release. Jovi Francisco has this report.
After the speeches on stage, the Duterte supporters who are based in nearby European cities lined up to take a photo with Vice President Sara Duterte.
Be strong, and then we believe on him and we love him very much.
Sana po makauwi na si Tatay Digong. We love you! Sana makauwi na si Tatay Digong. We love you so much!
Overseas Filipino workers filled up a big portion of the Het Malieveld Park Sunday for a meet and greet with the VP. This, they say, is also their way of showing love and support for former President Rodrigo Duterte, who is detained here at The Hague.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Happy birthday to you. Tatay Digong, we love you.
They sang the birthday song, other known Duterte anthems, and chanted their demand, "Bring Rodrigo home."
Duterte! Duterte!
On stage, the Vice President gave updates about her father's condition.
Tumigil na siya sa kakahingi ng Pinoy na ulam dahil parang hindi talaga kaya nung nagluluto sa loob ang Pinoy na ulam. Pero nagpadala ako kahapon ng PDF file ng mga recipes na pwedeng sundin nung nagluluto.
Off stage, she discussed to the media what his father told her about the case against him at the ICC.
He was very confident about the legal arguments, and there is no case to begin with. I'm here until the entire team is set up, the entire legal team is set up, and I come up with a scheduling with my siblings on who will stay here and when.
She also shared that in their most recent conversation, her father told her to bring him home.
Pero lagi niyang inuulit-ulit talaga, ibalik niyo ako sa Pilipinas.
But according to attorney Cristina Conti, there's a zero chance that Duterte will be granted interim release.
For the 4 crimes, main crimes that the court tries, crimes against humanity, crimes of aggression, genocide and war crimes, no interim release has been granted by the court for any of those accused of these crimes. So, from my point of view, there is zero probability that Sara Duterte or the Duterte camp could bring home Duterte by May 2025.
And as the Duterte camp prepares for Digong's 80th birthday, those critical of Duterte's war on drugs are preparing for a birthday surprise this coming weekend.
Duterte panagutin!
Duterte panagutin!
Ng mga kababayan natin, hindi lamang dito sa Europa o sa Netherlands, but all across the globe, yung nalalapit na birthday ni dating Pangulong Duterte ngayong darating na March 28. Ang bayan, ang Bagong Aliansa ng Makabayan at iba't ibang organisasyon sa ilalim nito all across the globe ay nagkakasa ng isang Global Day of Action. Panawagan para sa tuloy-tuloy na pagpapanagot kay Duterte.
Reporting from The Hague, Netherlands, Jovi Francisco, We Are One News.